Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to Gemini Google Photo Full Guide. Start by opening Google Photos and tapping the Edit or AI icon to access Gemini features right away. Explore suggested edits and captions, then choose a variation to apply. Use object removal cautiously and review changes before saving. Adjust privacy and sharing settings so auto-generated content fits your comfort level and workflow. Open a photo, then tap the Gemini or Magic editor to see suggested edits and creative variations. Try a few variations to compare styles without permanently changing the original, and use selective tools for precise exposure, color, and skin tone corrections. For object removal, make small adjustments and zoom in to refine edges. Always use undo if a change looks wrong and save a copy to preserve the original image. After editing, organize your enhanced photos into albums and add descriptive labels to simplify searching later. When sharing, set view or edit permissions to control how others can interact with your images. Enable backup so both originals and Gemini edits are preserved in your account, and review storage settings to avoid unexpected limits. Regularly clean up duplicates and unwanted variations to keep your library efficient and easy to navigate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.